Hi, everyone. So thank you for the opportunity, Ahmed Reza. I want to make sure that everyone sees my screen. Is it right? Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Thanks very much. First of all, it is a pleasure to virtually meet you guys. I didn't have an opportunity to join this time, and I'm going to present about Personize. Our platform, product we are building, is for companies who have thousands of contacts inside their CRM, and we are going to help them to leverage AI agents and language models to understand these customers at a scale. And based on that understanding, do reasoning, make some decisions, take some action, and finally write to them. And the writing can be in form of emails, landing page, or proposal or attachment. But the idea is we want to help companies with a lot of customers and contacts inside their CRM. The question that likely you might have, in case you care about this topic, is what do businesses are doing today to personalize their content for thousands of customers? The reality is, if you go to a website, we have one homepage for thousands, possibly millions of people. And if we have emails, a lot of times there are trillions of emails sent with just hi first name. But the impact is not that much, but that's the only choice we had for decades. And we have platforms like Segment. They started to unify customer data, apply some machine learning and logic, and try to put the customer in the smaller buckets. And for that reason, they started to be deliver more valuable content to them. But in the last 2-3 years, the game is different. We have language models that for the first time in history, we can leverage what we know about the customer and translate it into authentic text that or engagement that would delight customers. And as we can expect, that the impact would be massive. But there is a gap in the market of personalization, which is so new, and it comes with a lot of risks. Let me give you some of the risks that we have to deal with, and actually we are working on them. One is reasoning. Language models are great in writing, but when it comes to reasoning, each company has their own unique way of understanding customer, navigating their information, and writing to them. And that is like a vertical optimization of how to slow down a language models to take steps and reason. This is not a task that's one of the struggle that a lot of people don't touch that, especially when there is no human in the loop and you are going to process thousands with no human in the loop. And the other part is trust. We have customers, we write one email, that's amazing. But when it comes to writing 10,000 emails or 10,000 landing pages, do we trust AI? And how to build that trust, handle errors, deal with quality and accuracy at a scale. So these are the problems that we have. And the platform we built has different elements, but the part that has a visual user interface is our Personize Studio, a no-code environment that people can bring part of their customer data, run AI agents, and start seeing results. Could be an email, could be part of a landing page, and analyze them. And we have different ways to remove errors, handle quality, and start moving on a small data set and start increasing that number to thousands. And once they are happy, they can leverage our native integration. Now they can send in tens of thousands of contacts to the process that they optimize inside Personize Studio, or use our API with a few lines of code anywhere they want. And we have started to work on pre-built agents. We started working with different customers in different industries. So we are making it easy as possible for people to leverage advanced reasoning without spending time on building those prompts or building those models. There are a lot of use cases, and some of them are kind of very amazing. Like this is like a potential the first in the market, personalizing the whole landing, basically the whole website, writing reports that is at expert times that they'll be moving from 20 hours to 4 hours, and we're very super excited. But we are a startup, and we just kind of started. There are different, the business model from a high level is what kind of agents the company needs, was from the compute, from the sophistication and the value of that agent, multiplied by the number of records they have to process. We are having a PLG motion to bring people, and this is something that we were building over the last few months, to let people to try our platform, grow, upload their data, and enjoy it, and that brings up our pro plan. And also we were focusing with bigger opportunities that comes with more sophistication, but at the same time massive databases that we can have a massive impact on their revenue. The market is big, and there is a $19 billion market in hyper-personalization, and there are 4 million of companies using CRM. I was very kind of aware of it's not like the whole market will use this platform or use even any AI personalization. So I did some calculation from bottom up and also top down to size the market. But within that, we are focusing on a company with more than 50,000 contacts inside the CRM and the minimum of that 10,000. Our go-to-market, we started with CSV upload, download, Google Sheet, sync in and sync out, HubSpot, and we already built our HubSpot native integration, and we are improving that, and that we are going to gradually go after other big databases of that have thousands of customers, and we want to bring value to them. Our team, we have a diverse team. My background is from product side, data science, AI by education. Worked a lot in the last 6-7 years on RevOps and revenue operation, building infrastructure for sales and marketing that was completely outside of my comfort zone. And I started to learn a lot of opportunities, and then we started this journey. And we have an amazing team of the 3 AI software engineers, our CTO, and also amazing partners and advisors that they are helping us to understand the complexity of how to do and grow inside the market that comes with a lot of interesting, exciting, at the same time, a lot of uncertainties. We work with a lot of, again, maybe it's not that big number. There's 100 of B2B businesses that we were fortunate to work. Some of them pay, some of them not. And we started to optimize some agents that are doing advanced reasoning for different verticals. The goal was to get the highest quality we want. We have some traction. We had a higher traction before, but we iterated, and now we are fully product, and we have the version that is now we can run and make it scalable, and then we can share more about the opportunities we are working now at the moment. We are raising a pre-seed safe for 950,000. We are going to leverage that for improving and deriving our adoption inside HubSpot, and we want to be the best kind of an execution inside that, introducing autonomous AI agents in CRM for the first time. And we also want to improve our top of the funnel activities to bring more traffic and improve our funnel, which would be our focus now, because our platform is ready to serve a much bigger audience. I would thank you, everyone. Ahmed, I appreciate your time, and I don't know if there's any questions or what I should do next.
Is there any question? Yes, we have, Hamed.
We do? Okay.
Hello, thank you for your presentation. Please let me know how much money do you need? What are you looking for?
So actually, the slide is on at the moment. So we are raising pre-seed, 950K safe. We've been bootstrapped. We are a team of 5, and we are looking to use these resources to do a strong execution for HubSpot integration that we have, and that will give us a lot of visibility in that market. And then we want to go after Salesforce. There are some items here that we would love to enhance them by this fundraising, and very likely we would follow up with that in the next year, doing a more formal round of seed round or pre-seed Series A.
Another question, Hamed?
Thank you for the presentation. My question is regarding your competitors. I mean, there are big guys like Salesforce, and you mentioned they're already offering a product like that. How do you differentiate yourself from them?
Actually, that's an amazing question. So there are different fronts that we have direct competitors, and we have also Salesforce, Agentforce, and HubSpot. And HubSpot founder Dharmesh, they have Agent.ai. Actually, they have a lot of overlaps there. The way we differentiate it is when it comes to autonomy and autonomous system. big brands, they do more co-piloting types of features on using AI. They do, and they would be very kind of slow in introducing autopilot or autonomous kind of capabilities. And even if they do, we want to be ahead of on the doing lots of vertical optimization, understanding how to do reasoning in construction, in manufacturing, in software. And the thing is, when we start doing those things, we start to add functionalities that is not typical for general personalization project. And we don't think that big players will come for it. And for direct customers, the competitors, based on our knowledge, we have overlaps, and they typically focus on one model fits all. They do a lot on email personalization. We do that, of course, but we are going towards a more bigger batch size, and typically, again, moving more than 10,000, 50,000, that's like we are profiling our target ICP. The reason is no competitor want to go that type of batch processing and database level of running AI agents. They are working on more AI employees and helping people on a more day-to-day tasks. We are doing batch processing, possibly. We want to be one of the leader in the company wants to process millions of customers. We want to be the choice for them. And none of our competitors are planning to go that direction because it comes with different types of product roadmap and building. And I hope that answered the question. There are details. Of course, you have follow-ups, but I hope I did my best to cover different aspects of your question.
Thank you, Hamed John, for your presentation. Please give him a round of applause, Hamed.
And thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the event. I wish I was there, and look forward to seeing you later. Thank you very much.
Hopefully next time.